Back to the Fabeola Life and the Great Mexico Adventure. Today we are in Tequila, Mexico. It's a very small, quaint town. This is definitely a bucket list location if you are traveling in this part of Mexico.
So we're hoping to take a tour of a distillery, but we showed up in Tequila with no reservations. We originally didn't plan to come here, but because it was on our way between Puerto Vallarta and Guadalajara, we said let's stop in, let's check it out. We looked online, tried to make reservations, but you have to make reservations at least 48 hours in advance. So we're hoping if we walk in, we're able to get the 4 o'clock tour, which is a bilingual tour. Think we'll have any luck, babe?
I hope so.
Do bracelets.
So we were able to get a tour, yay!
Yay!
But it doesn't start yet. It starts around 4. It's about 2 o'clock right now, so we're just gonna walk around the town. It's really quaint little city square and see what there is to see.
Yeah, like that right there. What's that? There's a big bird. I see what you did there.
Oh. Lo siento.
Lo siento. Lo siento. Come to Tequila, first thing I start doing is running over the elder.
Seriously.
Daddy, how rude!
I legitimately feel bad right now.
Treat your elderly correctly.
When we first arrived to Tequila, we were talking about how it's such a quaint town, and it felt that way until we got to the city center.
True. It is quite busy, this city square.
It's all about tourism here. You're getting approached every 5 seconds. We already, like you saw, we already have our tour book, but you're still getting approached every 5 seconds to do a tour. Commercialism everywhere. And so I think there may be a local experience we have. We're not going to be here long enough, but hey, if you want to buy some goods and tour a distillery, this is the place to be.
This restaurant,
Cholula, the salsa.
This like the salsa. It's a famous salsa that is originated from here in Mexico. We actually have the salsa. I have
at home.
The chipotle flavor. So we have a different restaurant that we're gonna eat today, but we may come back here in case we.
And hey, you know about it. If you ever come here, there's an option as well.
Yes.
See the figurines in there, the saints and Jesus and stuff. That was really cool.
Yeah.
I wanted to go in further, but people were worshiping.
Yeah, there was still a service.
I don't want to disturb, but man, that was a beautiful cathedral, though.
It's beautiful inside. And every cathedral, there's so much symmetry when you walk in. It's like everything is symmetric.
One thing you'll notice right away as you walk around Tequila is that the different distilleries have interesting and unique tour buses. The distillery tour we chose, Casa Sauza, goes with more of a historic trolley vibe. First ride on a trolley, kiddos.
Is this a dog?
Yes. Trolley on wheels. Gracias.
Can I eat the window?
I was gonna say, is that chicken by you making you hungry?
Yes.
Didn't have to work. There's a worker next to him. Since he gets to eat, you have to work. Sauza Tequila was founded by Don Zenobio Sauza in 1873. The Sauza family passed down the business for 3 generations before being acquired by Fortune Brands in 2005. Today, they remain the second largest producer of tequila in the world. The first stop on this tour was to an agave field to see how the agave is planted, how it's grown, and eventually how it is harvested. Nice hats, kiddos. You like them?
Yes.
Yeah? You look authentic, man. You ready to go pick some agave?
Yes.
Yeah.
With just one hit. Very strong. Lift the latch. Now grab the baby. Put it in front. Pull it back. Then cover us with the soil. First you need to other soil. More.
More soil.
A little bit more. You can use your hands. It's not easy. Then the steps on. Right. Excellent. Good job. Good job, Jen. Right. Who's next?
Now you use your hands and put the soil.
Okay, there's the soil.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
Good job. Gracias.
De nada.
Yay, kiddos. When you get to school, you can tell your friends you planted agave plants.
It's not really going to be planted because they take it out.
Killjoy. But you planted it. Someone's gonna take it out, but you did plant it. It just won't grow. And then you'll tell your friends you drank tequila. No, I'll just play it. After harvesting the agave plant, we then were taken to the factory so that we can see the different stages and how this agave is turned into tequila. As the tour guide walked us through the different stages of producing the tequila, we got to taste it at its various stages, starting with just plain agave juice. It's an acquired taste. It's all right. It's not bad. And moving on to where it officially becomes tequila after being aged for a significant period of time. Actually smells good. Smells good, huh? Freshly made tequila, straight out. It's strong. No burn in the throat.
It burns.
As a perfect end to the tour, we were each able to make our own traditional drinks from scratch.
Is it good or no?
It's good.
Okay.
Good.
You like it?
If it tastes bad, you made it.
Right? If it tastes bad, you made it. Thank you for joining us on the Fab Your Life. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Check out one of the videos that's on your screen now, and we will see you on the next adventure.